All right, so we're going to oil the bike, or the chain. So just put on your gross plastic gloves, because this stuff is messy and it's hard to wash off. And then I just have a little thing of chain oil, chain lube for the bike. And then what I'm going to do, because it's hard to reach into this area on a three-wheeler, is I'm just taking a little pipette like this with some lube. I have lots of these, so I'll give you some. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it, maybe a little hard to see on this light, but there's the lower spoke, and then we're going to move the pedals backwards while gently releasing, I hope you can see this, a little bit of oil as you go along. There you go. You don't need the whole pipette's worth. There we go. And then we're just going to keep moving the pedals backwards. There we go. Sort of with the light, it's best I can do in this situation. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a little rag. There we go. A little rag. We're going to very loosely cup it around the chain as we pedal backwards, just to remove some of the loose dirt from the chain. Can you even see that? Where are we at? Oh, that's lower down. Sorry. So down here is the lower chain. So just lightly on the rag, and then that should do it. Normally I would run it through a few gear changes, but we're not going to do that today. But what we are going to do is a little bit of flicking, just to get some of the road crud off. Just going to do a little bit of brushing, and that'll help keep the chain a little bit clear. And then we can do that on the front spoke too. That's it.